All right. So this is going to be a 3-minute video of how to get started with options trading. This is for anyone that's new, that's never opened up a trading account, or for someone that has an existing Robinhood or Webull account that wants to turn on options trading. So the first thing you must have is a brokerage account with Robinhood or Webull. Easy to get started. What I recommend you do is either use my link in the description below or use someone else's link that's going to allow you to get a free stock. Right now, they got a great promotion running where they're going to give you a free stock and the person that signed you up a free stock. So it's like buying a lottery ticket and knowing you won already. Free money, get it. Step number 2, deposit money. Deposit, if you deposit, you can deposit up to 50 grand, I believe, with a Robinhood or Webull. But what they're going to do is they're going to give you instant buying power of $1,000. I know this for sure with Robinhood. I don't know with Webull if they're going to give you, how much buying power they give you. But I like personally using Robinhood because the interface is nice. But the instant buying power is great. It takes usually about 5 business days for your money to clear, but they're going to give you money and front you money straight up so that way you can get started trading. Trading is risky. This is not financial advice. I'm just kind of telling you guys how to move through the maze and and get things turned on for you. Step number 3 is turning on options trading. So when you first get started with your trading, journey, you're going to be able to trade stocks immediately. When Robinhood gives you the instant buying power, you can go in and buy a bunch of shares of stuff, but they won't give you options trading. Options trading is something exclusive that you have to apply for, and you have to answer the questions a certain way. And there's a link in the description below to a fellow YouTuber named Jason Brown. He tells you how to answer the questions a certain way and how to enable options trading. But basically what you do is you want to go pull up your Robinhood account, and what you do is there's that little guy in the bottom. You click on that, and then you look for settings. You click on settings, and then you look for where is it at? Account info at the top. Oh, I can't even. Account info at the top. You click on that. I'm not going to show you my account info, but there's a page called investment profile. So you click on investment profile, and it's going to bring up a bunch of options. You have to have this taken care of first before you go to enable options trading on, in your investment profile. And if you don't answer these questions a certain way, they're not going to give you. They want to make sure that that you're okay with risk, because option trading is more risky. Basically, an option is a way to make a little bit of money into a lot. If you look at the thumbnail of this video, I did turn $17.66 into $8,000 with option trading, but you got to know to look for certain opportunities and jump on those opportunities when they arrive. And if you have any questions, if you want to reach out to me personally, you can hit me up on Instagram, link in the description below. Let's have some fun trading and let's make some money so we can retire early. Peace.